fight news. I'm here with Kostya Tszyu. Kostya Tszyu just had a very tough workout down at the Tszyu Academy. And Kostya, just like to congratulate you on being inducted into the Boxing Hall of Fame along with Julio Chavez and Mike Tyson.
It's interesting things. We fought against Julio and now we're inducted at the same time. I can't say he's going to be too friendly to me, but I saw it a couple times during my trips to say I think he was alright. And I mean, I just hope that we can sit down and have a good drink together.
I think you should, Kostya. It's all business. It was all business in the ring.
Yeah.
You won the greatest Russian fighter of all time, and he's probably the greatest Mexican fighter of all time. So, but Kostya, before you were a professional, you were an outstanding amateur. And in 1991, you won the gold medal in Sydney. And in the final, you fought Vernon Forrest, who went on to be an outstanding champion as a professional. Could you just take me back and tell me a little bit about that fight with Vernon Forrest? You won 39-8, I think, on the scorecard.
It was an easy fight. From what I saw, I was very confident. And that years from 89 till last fight against Forrest, honestly, I was unbeatable. So much so often I played against my opponents. I could do anything I wanted. And that's one of the biggest reasons why I turned pro, because I felt that one day more hungry kid gonna come up and do some job against me. That fight with Forrest, actually I just watched on video not long ago. Did show to my son because you can see was my boys in the gym. Started preparing for himself for that.
Both your sons are boxing now, Timothy and Nikita.
What can I say? What can I do? Their decisions, their choices, and it's been. I have to support them. Of course,
Kostya. And Kostya, you had a great record: 270 fights, 259 wins, and many titles you won. Then you turned professional in 92, and in 95 you fought for the title, and you fought Jake Rodriguez. Could you tell me a little bit about that fight with Jake Rodriguez?
The best things regarding that fight after that become good friends. Jake helped me during my preparation for some of my fights. He was a good sparring partner. That fight, first round, first minute, I didn't expect very fast start from me, and I knocked him down good. With a good right hand, and you know that actually it's not bad against left-handers. Knocked many of them out. Simple punches. Then I put the pressure on him, slowly, and in the 6th round, after 3 knockdown, referee saved him. It was a good decision. The best things, I think he was there too. And I remember the IBF tried to take my belt. I said, "Come on, guys, I have to take my belt. I have to take to Australia to show."
Jake gave it up.
And Jake came and gave the belt to me. It was great. And I think from that day, we became good mates.
Showed a lot of class,
yes.
Kostya. And Kostya, from then you had 5 successful defences: Jan Bergman, Corey Johnson, Hugo Pineda, Roger Mayweather, Leonardo Mas.
Technical draw.
That's right, technical draw. And then you came up against Vince Phillips, who caused an upset, beating you. But you came back after that fight, and you came back a much stronger fighter. Could you just tell me what you think the reasons are?
It's all about destiny in life. You know that I felt unbeatable during my career. I thought no one can stop me really. And I started making errors in my preparations. I started making mistakes in preparation. It wasn't visible. It's not really big mistakes, but one after another start struggling with my weight. Start taking some vitamins you shouldn't take. Everything legal, but you should have a more cautiously ask questions regarding this.
Yeah.
And the funny things. Vince, I saw him a few times after that fight, and And one of the first time I saw him, I came to him and said, Vince, thank you so much for what you did to me when you beat me. Because from that day I became a professional athlete, professional boxer, that everything around me changed. And he was surprised to hear this. But look, after that I started fighting against Kelvin Grove, against Kelvin.
One round.
One round, and big knockout, and then my Gonzalez did a tremendous job against Angel Gonzalez.
Well, this is what I wanted to ask you, Kostya. Now, when people talk about your greatest performances in the ring, it seems to be split between Miguel Angel Gonzalez, which I think is your best performance, but also Zab Judah. What are your thoughts on that?
Regarding the performance, what I did wrong or right, I think the Angel Gonzalez number one for me. I did not make any mistakes, not one. Just slowly breaking down. Body attack, head attack, defenses. I didn't get hurt at all. I didn't get hit at all.
No.
I think that was I think in terms of performance, of course.
When you think that it was only 12 months prior to that he fought a draw with Chavez.
Yes.
So that was a fantastic performance.
And he was unbeaten, no, actually he lost one fight.
Just one fight.
Yeah, to Delahaye, I think.
That's right, just the one fight. Talking about Oscar De La Hoya, you came very close to fighting him on a couple of occasions?
No, actually, if I would not lose to Phillips, somehow we're going to meet each other. Because I was at that time with Bob Arum, and Bob Arum was promoter for Oscar as well. They tried to match us. I think we fought in the same undercard. Gonzalez. I think he fought against.
You fought Mas.
No,
you fought Leonardo Mas.
And he fought
De La Hoya fought Gonzalez.
He fought Gonzalez. Okay.
That's right. That's 100%.
It's meant to be. Meant to be, because what he did after that became, I think, one of the greatest fighters. Oscar is not only he's become a great promoter now.
Yes.
Something that never know. Maybe we're going to do some business together in the future. Never know.
Well, you're very successful in business in Australia and also in Russia, where you spend a lot of time over there in Russia, Kostya. And once again, mate, congratulations on a great career, both as an amateur and professional, and also you've done extra well in business as well, so congratulations.
Thank you, and the best things for me, I've been in sport, boxing for all my life, and I'm going to continue being in this sport, because what I received from that sport, like you feel you have to give it back. I'm going to be around this sport for all my life.
After watching you in training, Kostya, you're certainly still in great shape.
Actually, it was easy training.
Yeah, good on you, Kostya. Thank you.
Thank you.